Our participants, our guests, ano ba yung nagawa natin last year na gusto nating mas higitan pa for this year?
Okay, good evening runners! Good evening! First of all, I would like to say thank you to all who supported you sa Race to the Forest natin sa Up Marathon. Thank you guys, thank you. Maraming salamat. For the highlight last year for Myron 2024, I'm proud to say na from previous years, we were able to reach 4,700 runners last year. Okay, so as we expect, this coming May 4, we can beat more than 4,700. Do you agree? So kanina, meron na tayong 6 corporate accounts na already give signal na they're going to join. And of course, we have the 2 strong corporate accounts here, si ING and si Accenture. Thank you very much mga sir, mga ma'am. Palapakan po natin sila. And of course, one of the highlights also last year is alam naman natin na ang advocacy ni Green Media is to become Mother Earth Warriors. Alam naman din natin lahat na tayo naman is always fitness and wellness, yun ang objective natin. But then again, we were able to convey the mindset na maging eco-warrior tayo. And with that, we did many tree plantings during that time, right, Coach? So this year, as Coach Isa said earlier, from 5,000, we were going to reach 10,000 trees. So kailangan po namin tulong nito. And part of this, ang Apo Runners Incorporated are really helping Green Media. So we need you guys. Maganda to, ma-involve din po kayo. It's an easiest way or an act para makatulong tayo sa Mother Earth natin. Thank you very much.
It's an easy way, it's a micro effort, but still with macro effect to the environment. Okay, let's ask the ambassador, running ambassadress for Earth Run, and a message to our guests, to our runners who continuously supporting Takbo para sa kalikasan.
Yes, nasabi na po ni Sir Darwin pwede na po yata ibubo ko. Pero ayun, maraming salamat again sa lahat ng pumunta ngayong gabi, sa lahat ng mga sumuporta sa 4 elements namin last year, mapa-virtual or actual run man. Maraming salamat po. Sobrang laki ng tulong ng lang sa events namin, kundi sa mga nagiging beneficiaries po ng event namin. And we're looking forward na sana supportahan po ulit natin lahat ng event ng Green Media. Kasi hindi lang po kami, hindi lang po yung kalikasan natin yung tinutulungan natin. Marami po kaming iba pang natutulungan, like kagaya nga po ng Hope for the Golden Gate. And marami pa pong plano, marami pa pong ilalatag sina Madam na beneficiaries at mga tao na matutulungan po ng event na to. And ayun, mag-ingat po tayo and i-enjoy lang po natin lahat ng mga takbo natin. Thank you po.
Thank you. Up next is a running ambassadress for Water Run. Let's ask Jen. Kasi si Jen from consistently doing podium finishes with Green Media. Of course, nakita siya ni Ma'am Jen with the potential of coming a running ambassadress for Takbo para sa kalikasan. What are the motivations for you to, of course, be one of the running ambassadors of Takbo para sa kalikasan?
Good evening po, everyone. Thank you po. Unang-una po sa lahat, magpapasalamat po ulit ako sa inyo sa pagsuporta po sa events po ng Green Media Events, ang Takbo para sa kalikasan. Last year po, masasabi ko po talaga na sobrang naging successful po yung events natin. From fire run, water, earth, and air. Gusto ko po ulit na humingi po sa inyo ulit na suportahan po natin ang Takbo para sa kalikasan this year na mas lalo pa po nating pagtingin, lalo na yung maganda po yung advocacy po ng Green Media Events ni Ma'am Jenny po. Marami po tayong natutulungang beneficiaries po. Actually po, last year, naging bahagi po kami, kasama ko po si Miss Ana sa mga napuntahan po namin yung mga certain beneficiaries po namin na ihandog po yung mga donations po sa kanila at nasaksihan po namin na maganda po yung advocacy po ni Ma'am Jenny. Actually po, one of the many reasons po, I believe, kahit pa po sinusuport ng rally community ang patakbo po ng GME Green Media Events po dahil po sa hindi lang po yung may certain persons po doon na inilalaan po nila sa mga beneficiaries po nila. At hopefully po this year po mas marami pa pong matulungan si Ma'am. Thank you po.
Thank you very much. And still, wala pa rin si Fritz. Let's ask, of course, of Group C. Juicy, coming from running influencers, ano namang masasabi mo to all our runners? Kasi I think you will, just in time, you will be promoted to be running ambassador. Di ba, Ma'am Jen? So anyway, what are your message to all the participants, to all those supporters of Takbo para sa Kalikasan? Since day one, up until now, we're seeing ING here in the house, Accenture as well, continuously supporting Takbo para sa Kalikasan.
Okay, first and foremost, allow me to greet all of you a very good day. Now, time and again, every time I invite some people to join the activities, the events that Green Media is, promoting, I always say that if you cannot really know how to help, this is a great platform or event to join. So that's, kung mag-i-invite din kayo ng ibang participants, if they don't know how to help, they can start with Green Media's Fire Run, Water Run, Air Run, and definitely Air Run. So, lahat nasabi na ng mga kasama ko, but this is one way. You don't need to be rich to help. You can use your energy, your strength during the run to help. Parts and proceeds of that will go to the specific beneficiaries for each event. So, welcome aboard.
Very well said, very spontaneous. Juicy, one of our running influencers. Thank you very much once again to all our running ambassadors.